I want you to go to as many people, fist bump them, and tell them something good will happen for you this week. Something good will happen for you this week.
Tonight's one of the finest. And when I met him, I said, man, you are a handsome man with a handsome business, moving a wonderful economy and doing great business. And I'm sure you are receiving some great, handsome checks in that business. I celebrate tonight the CEO of DVE Unlimited, Bishop Dr. Charles C. Hackman. Team should come with him, of course. Team should come with him. We came all the way with you. Don't leave him out. What is good we reserved for the last moment. Congratulations, Bishop Dr. Charles C. Hackman.
First of all, I want to say a very big thank you to God for making this possible. And then to the business executive, thank you so much for recognizing our efforts. What I want to say is this. I represent the disability community in Ghana, and I want to specially dedicate this award first to the disability community, because a lot of times we forget about disability. And we need to take a stand for disability. I think that the strength of every country is measured in how they deal with the vulnerable. And so I want to say kudos to the disability community, and this is for you. And secondly, I want to dedicate this award to Fire City Chapel, my Covenant family. Thank you so much. DVE Unlimited, I'm so grateful. Thank you, and God bless you.